Good afternoon, lovely people. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my amazing educative health videos. There is this powerful herb which is loaded with lots of health benefits, and interestingly, it is used to prepare a local dish, very popular one in Nigeria. What is the name of this herb? Write the name of the herb under the comment section, and if you don't know it, then kindly watch the video to the end so that we learn about this herb. This is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you all the health benefits of the African herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. If it interests you to be part of this amazing family, subscribe to the channel, like the video whilst watching, and share with your family and friends.
All right, so the correct answer is bitter leaves. So these are the leaves of the plant. So bitter leaves. This is what Nigerians use to prepare their local delicacy. These are the leaves. These are the leaves of the plant. Then we look at the whole plant. Now this is the stem of the plant and it goes down. The bitter leaf has a lot of health benefits, and that's what we were discussing in today's video. So just keep watching the video to the end. Don't skip any portion of it.
Very quickly, let us look at some of the health benefits of consuming bitter leaves. Bitter leaf can be eaten in its raw state or juice is made out of it. Are you looking for a natural way to get rid of intestinal parasites or worms? Then start consuming bitter leaves. It's very important. Bitter leaves is good when it comes to the treatment or elimination of intestinal parasites or worms. All stomach-related problems such as indigestion and constipation bow when you drink bitter leaves juice. So drinking the juice or eating the leaves in its raw state helps to treat all stomach-related problems. Are you suffering from malaria and looking for a natural way to get rid of it? Then start drinking the juice or eating the leaves. It is good for the treatment of malaria. Bitter leaf is a blood tonic. So drinking the juice or eating the leaves in its raw state helps to regulate blood pressure and also helps to treat anemia. Are you looking for a natural way to keep your kidney healthy, or you have been diagnosed with kidney-related problems? Then start making use of bitter leaves. Now, if you're a man, then listen very carefully. There are lots of men who are performing poorly in the other room, which is the bedroom. If you are one of them, then start making good use of bitter leaf. Make juice out of it and start drinking it. It helps to make you strong in the bedroom. So those are some few health benefits of bitter leaves. Make use of it. Don't wait until you are sick before you start using it. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. I hope anywhere you find bitter leaf, you are going to make good use of it. Until I see you in my next episode, eat organic fruits and vegetables, exercise on daily basis, and also visit the hospital on regular basis to know your health status. Peace.